Hi, CN. Thanks for being part of this journey for this mental health component. So we've just gone through a few questions. This is just basically to find out why. So when you were a student, right, what do you actually worry about when you were in school?
I worry about being accepted by my peers, and I worry about my academics, making sure I do well in school.
What kind of support you wish you had in those issues when in school?
I wish there was a counselor in school. Back then, there was no such thing as having counselors to give support to students in school. So I do wish that we had a counselor in school where we felt safe enough to talk to about our problems that we face in school.
All right. Based on the features that we have built and designed together, what was the one feature that you wish that you had in school?
I wish I had a chat function that I can, just speak to someone, a mental health professional, talk about all my worries or all my problems that I was facing in school.
So if you could talk about the one key feature that you're most proud of in this app, what would it
It will be the screening questionnaires. I think that screening questionnaires um, accurately and holistically pick up any risk of very common things that teenagers will experience in school.
be? All right. Thank you very much.
Thank
Have a nice
you.
day.